Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ojo Juliet. This is Julie Love page. You are welcome. Please like, share, comment, drop your comment below on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get a lot of my new video. Please subscribe to this channel. Watch till the end. Today I'm going to tie a simple hairstyle which I'm going to use rubber band. I've created the pleating, then I use rubber band to secure it. I place it on my head. I want to use rubber band to secure the back so that it will not scatter. Then I will twist. When I twist it, anywhere the rubber band, the hair tie end, I will use pin to secure it. When I use pin to secure it, that's all. Please watch till the end. Thank you.